Minoru Pool, all white and blue. Mac the lifeguard knew what to do. Water Safety Week was here, a time to learn, a time to cheer. But just as Mac put up the sign, a crab walked in, his shell did shine. With tiny claws and googly eyes, Crabby had a big surprise. "I'm here to join," Crabby declared, but everyone just stopped and stared. "A talking crab, this must be wrong. Crabs don't swim where kids belong." The swimmer screamed, the staff all hid. One kid jumped and closed his lid. "Is he lost? Did he escape? Call the news, this crab's so great." But Mac just laughed and shook his head. "No need to fear," is what he said. "He's here to learn, just like the rest. Water safety is the best." Crabby waved his little claw and gave a great big crustacean yawn. "I wanna learn water safety and keep my friends all safe alive." The crowd went hush, then gave a cheer. "Let's all join, there's fun right here." With Crabby leading, kids lined up to learn with Mac. Now that's good luck. They practiced rescues, they held the wall. They learned to help and not to fall. With every stroke, they swam so free, even Crabby. 1, 2, 3, and when the lesson came to end, they cheered for Crabby, their new friend. Water safety, tried and true, is for everyone, including you. So if you swim, be safe, be smart. Stay by a lifeguard from the start. Just like Crabby, learn and grow. Mac and friends will help you so. At Minoru Pool, all white and blue, Mac the lifeguard knew what to do. Water Safety Week was here, a time to learn, a time to cheer. But just as Mac put up